Good evening, physics enthusiasts, sa lahat ng mga lodi ko na gustong mas maintindihan ng konti pa yung mga tinuturo sa kanila ng kanilang physics teacher. Welcome kayong manood dito sa video ko. Okay, so for today's video, we will be discussing about uniform motion and uniformly accelerated motion. Ano ba ang kaibahan ng dalawang type of motion na yan? Okay, so let's begin with uniform motion. When we say uniform motion, ang concept agad natin dito ay yung pag-travel ng object, the object covers equal distances in equal time interval. So yun, kumbaga, ang una mong concept na dapat tandaan. Equal distances are covered in equal time intervals. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin, if in 1 second nag-travel yung object ng 2 meters, then for another second or time equal to 2 seconds, it should have covered another 2 meters. So, kumbaga 4 meters na yung mako-cover niya. Pagka ganon yung case, then the object is said to be in uniform motion, such that you can therefore say that the velocity of the object is constant for uniform motion. I mentioned velocity kasi hindi nagbabago yung magnitude ng velocity, which is the speed, at hindi rin nagbabago yung direction. Meaning to say, when the object is in uniform motion, it's moving with constant speed in a straight path. Okay? So kaya velocity is constant. Hindi nagbabago yung kanyang speed, hindi rin nagbabago ng direction. Hindi siya bumabagal, hindi siya bumibilis, at hindi siya lumiliko. Okay? So, very rare yung object na magkaroon or mag-undergo ng uniform motion. Because in reality, laging nagbabago-bago ng speed or ng bilis yung mga object. Pwedeng bumabagal, pwedeng bumibilis, or nagbabago ng direction in reality. Kaya yung uniform motion is very rare ma-achieve. Okay? Hindi naman siya totally theoretical, pero rarely achieved. Kumbaga hindi siya ganun ka-realistic. Okay? Pero hindi naman siya fictitious or fictional. Okay? Mahirap lang siyang i-achieve sa totoong buhay. Okay? So, kapag ganito yung type ng motion, napakasimple lang ng formula. Yung V natin na may arrow na velocity, which represents velocity, magiging speed lang, V. Since hindi naman nagbabago yung direction, di ba? So, sabi nga natin, constant velocity. Ibig sabihin, constant speed and constant direction. Constant speed in a straight path. Okay? So, yun ang ibig sabihin. So, since hindi naman nagbabago ng direction, speed na lang siya. Okay? So, speed will be equal to the total distance covered over the total time interval. Okay? Or simply, V is equal to distance over time, or speed is equal to distance over time. So yun lang ang formula natin for uniform motion. Okay, so syempre kung ang hinahanap ay bawa distance ang sinusolve, then the formula becomes, cross multiply lang to, the formula becomes V times T. Okay, kung distance ang hinahanap. Kung time naman ang hinahanap, again, cross multiply lang. So we will have T is equal to D over V. Okay? So basically, dito siya galing sa main equation. Okay, ganyan lang kasimple ang formula for uniform motion. Again, i-emphasize ko yung formula na to ay applicable lamang kapag constant ang velocity. Meaning to say, constant yung speed and the object is traveling in a straight path. Hindi siya bumabagal, hindi bumibilis, at hindi nagbabago ng direksyon. Okay? So, malinaw ba yon? Okay, now let's proceed to uniformly accelerated motion. Uniformly accelerated motion, or UAM for short, is a type of motion, syempre from the term itself, uniformly accelerated motion. So alam mo na agad that for UAM, acceleration is constant. Wait lang, palit tayo ako ng marker. So for UAM, acceleration is not changing or is constant, as the name suggests. Okay? Now, if the acceleration is constant, ibig sabihin, nagbabago pa din ang velocity. Kaya lang yung pagbabago niya, pantay-pantay. Alright? So, in this case, the velocity is not anymore constant. Okay? So, it's either the object speeds up, slows down, or changes direction. Kaya, velocity is not anymore constant. Now, the rate of how the velocity of that object changes, yun ang constant for uniformly accelerated motion. And kapag pinag-usapan ang uniformly accelerated motion or UAM, syempre laging kasama yung four kinematic equations. Four kinematics equations. Namely, yung una is VF is equal to VI plus AT. And also we have D is equal to V final plus V initial divided by 2. So, pwede naman yan V initial plus V final since commutative naman pag addition. Kaya lang, meron lang tayong sinusundang pattern. Kaya, inuna ko lang yung final. Times the time. Okay? And then, yung isa ay we have VF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2AD. And then yung panghuli is equal to D is equal to VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. So basically, these are the four kinematic equations. So, pero probably, tatanungin nyo ako, sir, saan ba nanggaling yan, yung mga equation na yan? Siyempre, dinerive po yan. For example, itong ating equation 1, let this be equation 1, let this be equation 2, this one, equation 3, and then equation 4. Okay? So, simulan tayo sa equation 1. Saan ba nanggaling yung VF is equal to VI plus AT? So, nanggaling yan sa definition ng acceleration. Diba? Ang definition ng acceleration is the acceleration of the object is equal to the change in its velocity over the change in time. Or kapag in-expand natin to further, or kung gusto nyong calculus, parang dv over dt. Okay? So, or if we expand this further, this becomes, since change in velocity yan, meron tayong final minus initial divided by t final minus t initial is equal to, is equal to acceleration. Okay? Oftentimes, t initial is presumed or assumed to be 0 unless otherwise stated in the problem. Kaya kadalasan ang makikita nyo na lang sa mga libro ay VF minus VI over t. Ibig sabihin ito yung t final. In-assume na that the initial is 0 is equal to the acceleration. And then syempre pag na-rearrange natin yan, cross-multiply ko to, tapos yung negative vi ay ililipat ko sa kabila, then we will have vf is equal to vi plus at. So, cross-multiply, A and T, naging 80. Yung negative VI, lipat ko sa kabila. So, naging kasama siya ng 80 VI. Ang natira na lang sa side na to ay VF, V final. So, yan yung ating unang equation. Diyan ang galing sa definition ng acceleration. Okay? So, malinaw ba yun? Alright. So, next, punta tayo sa pangalawa. Yung pangalawang equation is D is equal to V final plus V initial over 2 times time. Alright? So, nanggaling yan dun sa formula natin na distance is equal to velocity times time. Kaya lang, di ba, this is applicable only if the velocity or the speed is constant. In this case, for uniformly accelerated motion, hindi na constant, diba, yung ating velocity, nagbabago. So, kaya, kukunin natin yung initial and final and take the average. Average na, hindi yan arrow na to represent vector. So, average of velocity times time. So, syempre, pag in-expand natin yan, that becomes V final plus V initial. So, dahil dalawa yan, divided by 2 times the time. So, that's our second formula. Okay, so again, i-emphasize ko na si addition is commutative also, gaya ng multiplication. So, pwedeng magkapalit. Alright, pwedeng VI plus VF. Kaya lang, meron lang akong sinusundang pattern para mamaya pag nag-derive pa tayo ng next equation ay hindi kayo malito. Okay? So, this will be our second equation. Okay? Punta na ngayon tayo sa pangatlo. The third equation is VF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2AD. Saan ba nanggaling yan? Okay? So, mula dito sa equation 1, at nag-solve ka ng t, okay, so from equation 1, ito yun, yung yung VF is equal to VI plus AT. Pag sinolve mo yung T will be equal to V final minus V initial over A mula dun sa equation 1. So pag sinubstitute natin ngayon tong T dito naman sa equation 2, so substituting T to equation 2, we will have D is equal to VF plus VI over 2 times VF, ito yung T natin, VF minus VI over A. Okay? So, kung matatandaan ninyo sa topic about factoring sa math or sa algebra, meron tayong sum and difference. Halimbawa, A plus B times A minus B. Ano ba ang sagot doon? Tama. The answer will be the difference of two squares. So, ibig sabihin, this formula, ay yung itong nasa sa taas, pag nag-multiply mo, magiging VF squared minus VI squared over 2A is equal to D. Okay? Tapos, pagka na-rearrange mo to, na-rearrange natin yan such that VF yung nasa kabilang side. So, syempre, cross multiply. So, 2AD. So, dapat VF yun lang yung nasa kabilang side, diba? VF. So, yung nasa kabila will be 2AD plus itong negative VI squared. Pag tinranspose ko sa kabila, magiging plus 2AD. Kaya naging VF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2AD. Yun na yung ating 2AD. Pangatlong equation. Ito siya. Okay? Okay, now let's derive the last equation. Yung D is equal to VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. Saan ba nanggaling yan? Okay? So, we will substituting equation 1 to equation 2. Ano ba yung equation 1 natin? VF is equal to VI plus AT. Ano ba yung equation 2? D is equal to VF plus VI over 2 times T. Ibig sabihin, yung VF dito, papalitan natin yung value nitong VF sa equation 1. Okay? Such that D, write ko muna yung equation 2 is equal to VF plus VI over 2 times T. Substitute ko na ngayon sa VF C yung equation 1 kasi diba VF is equal to VI plus AT. So ibig sabihin this becomes VI plus AT, yun yung VF plus VI over 2 times the time. Combining like terms dahil parehas naman to, so this becomes 2VI plus 80. Tama? VI plus VI, so 2VI plus 80 over 2 times the time. Okay, and then simplifying further, we will have D is equal to 2VI divided by 2. So parang sinabi mo 2VI divided by 2 plus 80 80 divided by 2 times T. And then ito rin, times 3 rin yung kabilang term. Diba? Parang ganyan. 2VI divided by 2 plus 80 divided by 2 times yung buong quantity ng time. Such that this becomes, syempre makakancel na yung 2. Ang matitira na lang ay VI times yung T plus 80 times T will have A T squared over 2 is equal to D. Yan na yun, yung ating fourth equation. Parehas lang yan ng D is equal to VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. Okay? So, kumbaga dito, nilabas lang yung coefficient na 1/2 mula dito. So, pareho lang yan. This equation and this equation are just the same. Okay? So, yan ang derivation ng apat nating kinematic equations. Pipili ka sa apat na to kung ano yung pwede mong gamitin. Depende sa given. Kahit alin dito ang gamitin mo, provided tama yung operation mo, tama yung substitution mo, tama yung pag-identify mo ng given quantities and pag-identify mo ng unknown quantity, then walang magiging problema. Kahit alin ang gamitin mong equation dyan, it will give you the same answer. Okay? So, sa next session, magsasample problem tayo. Okay? Goodbye and thank you muna.